Hey, Happy New Year. Paul Dorsey, Jantize America. So if you're a football fan, we're right in the middle of the college playoffs. The NFL postseason is just around the corner, and we're excited. Well, I live in Charlotte, and it's a tough time of year for us, but don't let me digress. New Year's, new you. Playoff season. This means that we're going to be watching the best of the best, the top players, the top coaches, and the top organizations, even in franchising. Question is, how do they get there? Have you thought about how do they get there? What really gets them to become the best of the best is the best teams are the ones that execute the fundamentals, and they execute better and more consistently than anyone else. And they drill and drill and drill these skills daily. Those same principles apply to us and applies to anything that you want to excel at. Whether it's sports, music, business, your franchise, even your personal growth. The success comes from the daily practice and repetition of mastering those basic skills over and over and over again. So as we begin to step into 2025, let's take a look at this lesson and let's bring it to heart. What are the fundamentals of your franchise? And what are the daily drills that you can focus on to grow and improve your business this year, next year, and future years to come? Hey, I'm excited to see what this team can do. Here at Jantize America, we can achieve all the things we want, but only with the right focus and certainly effort. Let's make it a winning year. Questions? Comments? Give me a call. 704-503-7141. We're here to help.